While Russia is once again trying to advance on the front line, with little success and massive losses, they are constantly trying to reinforce their position to protect against Ukraine's army. Seen here with an excavator connected to a truck building new trenches, with Ukraine's surveillance drone calling in a strike, having some FPV drones to come and stop it, hitting the fragile engineering equipment and surrounding vehicles that helps build the trenches, destroying more of Russia's engineering equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.